Your journey to better broadband starts with Community Fibre. We're the London-based broadband, phone and TV provider that's just for Londoners. Here's what to expect when our engineers come to install fibre optic broadband to your neighbourhood. Our engineers always follow the latest health and safety procedures on site, ensuring a risk assessment, method statement, relevant qualifications, site design, and they have all the correct materials ready to go. We keep disruption to a minimum and usually run our fibre optic cable through existing ducts or pipes that are already under the road and pavement. Our engineers feed cables, which contain hundreds of individual fibres, through the ducts from one chamber to the next, connecting our network to street cabinets and then these cabinets to your neighbourhood. Individual fibres are then joined together into one continuous fibre optic connection from the network to your home. That's how we can offer London's fastest 100% full fibre broadband with speeds of up to 3 gigabits per second. We will connect your home to our network using either an overhead or underground method. For overhead, we run the fibre optic cable up an existing telegraph pole in the street and into a small splitter box. When you decide to subscribe to our service, we then come back and run a cable from the box at the top of the pole to your house. For houses that are connected using the existing underground network, we place a joint within a chamber underground and then we can run a cable from this joint to your home when you decide to connect, using the existing ducts that connect your home. Then our engineers tidy up, and that's it. Get in touch by calling 0808 196 6262 or visiting communityfibre.co.uk, and we will get your account set up on your chosen installation day. Welcome to Better Broadband with Community Fibre.